Darren Harlow, 5 Arrows Tactical Training. Thought I would do a follow-up video on combining timecode systems. We have Tentacle Sync, we have the UltraSync 1, the UltraSync Blue, and the Deity TC1. And I've been playing and working with these and have been able to synchronize time across all of these, because then you can interact with any other system that you come across. And I thought it would be fun just to show some of the examples of this, so that way you could see it, that way you can use these interchangeably. So first, I like to sync the Tentacle sync with my phone. That's just my preferred work order, but I could do the Deity and then sync to the Tentacle, to the Atomos, however you want to do it. So I'm going to set this to my phone time, sync to this device, sync all. Both these two will be in sync here shortly. As you can see, the sync is done now. Now, next, what we can do is take this to the Atomos system. So what I will do is plug in here. I will choose to go down through the Jam LTC timecode. It's locked, so we'll unlock the keys. There. Now we'll come down here to Jam LTC timecode. And now this timecode is jammed. And you can also see that the UltraSync Blue is now in sync with the Atomos, which is in sync with the Tentacle syncs. You can see it, they're all the same now. Next, we can sync the Deity TC1. So, come over here, scroll, timecode, external, just plug in the Tentacle sync to the Deity, use external, and now picked up the timecode from the Tentacle sync. We'll have to jam it. Now this is jammed. So we now have the same timecode, same U bits, etc. across all of our systems. I'm sure you can see it right here. So we have it on the Tentacle sync, on the Atomos UltraSync 1, the UltraSync Blue, and the Deity TC1. All are in sync, all have the same frame rate. I just prefer the Tentacle sync for my workflow. The other reason I love the Tentacle sync is for the Tentacle time bar, because with that QR code I can then use timecode on my GoPro 7s, GoPro 9s remotely, and it's recorded as well. Hope you found this informative. Thank you for your time.